Everybody, so today I'm so awkward with my hellos. I know, I gotta get better at that. I gotta figure out what to say to people instead of, hey everybody, hey guys. I don't know what to say though. So that's what we're gonna deal with for now. Okay, so today I'm reviewing the IT CC oil-free matte CC cream and then their powder. I have it on right now. And I also did a makeup look using the Too Faced Then and Now palette. So if you guys want to see this makeup look, it's like a purple smoky eye, that link will be down below. But if you guys want to see this review, then just keep watching. I hope you guys can see me really good, because like in my other videos I said that I can't really see anything. I'm gonna like move you guys back a little bit. I'm like up against the window, so you would think with the natural light you guys could see everything. I can't see through my viewfinder. I have filmed like 3 other videos prior to this video, and for some reason my SD card didn't work. So I'm hoping this new SD card works, fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys know what I started off with on my skin. I did wash my skin. I did a face peel, an exfoliant, a pore strip, and then I washed my face. And then I used Bareminerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. This stuff's really good. Like after I put this on, I was like, oh my gosh, my skin feels amazing. I'm gonna also put on Josie Maran, I don't know how to say her name, 100% pure argan oil in light. And I'm just gonna put a couple drops on my hand. Under, here's my mirror because I cannot see with my viewfinder. Rub that in over my face. Now I have extremely dry skin, and whatever's left on my fingers I'm just gonna carry down my neck. So for me, I have a problem with matte foundations. A lot of the time it's just so drying on my skin, and then it'll like stay in crevices of my face, or wrinkles I guess, that I never knew I had. So that's why I put the oil on. And now I'm gonna use Cover FX Mattifying Primer, just because this is a matte foundation, or CC cream. So I'm just putting a little bit all over my face. This reminds me of the Smashbox one. This cup, I haven't even used this one yet. I got all kinds of new decorations and stuff in my makeup room. I gotta show you guys. I did do a house tour. I'll link that down below. Okay, now we're going to go jump into the CC cream. Okay, so this is the IT Your Skin But Better CC Oil-Free Matte Poreless Finish Full Coverage Cream plus Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum. It also has an SPF of 40, which is great, so that when you're, you know, in the sun. A lot of the time I don't mix in a sunscreen, so this is great that this has it. Now keep in mind with flash, you're probably gonna have like a white halo, or like look super white, because SPF does make you look a little paler, so keep that in mind if you're doing a flash. So it says directions: apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply at least every 2 hours. So it sounds just like sunscreen. I just wanted to read. So this is in the color light. I had to wait until I took all of my tanner off because I was way too light. So I'm just gonna do 2 pumps in my hand, and I'm actually gonna dot it on my face because I've tried it. It has a moussey consistency. Now, the original CC cream, I love that one. That one's so good. And it smells like oranges, or like this orange cleaner. This one doesn't have a scent to it though. So if you're not into scents, that's good. All right, now I'm gonna take my beauty blender. And it doesn't say like whether to use a brush or not on here. Because I was gonna do it with whatever this, no it doesn't. So I'm just gonna use my sponge. So I have used this a couple times and I really, really like it. However, I don't feel like this is like the original, like full coverage to me. I don't know, like the original one I felt like had a lot more coverage than this. I do really like this. I find it doesn't crease or anything like that. I haven't really tested how long it lasted because I've used it like 2 times. I usually have tanner on, so I don't really wear this. I did just get this. They have it at Sephora. I'm not sure if they have it at Ulta, or maybe they have. Maybe I got it at Ulta. I don't remember. But because I'm dragging it down my neck. So I'll do check-ins with you guys. It does look very nice. Now, if you have dry skin like me, I do recommend you using, always use a primer whether you have dry skin or not. I feel like it just makes it last longer, and then it just gives such a great, what is it? Like canvas for your foundation. Like it's gonna, I don't know, I just feel like it works better. Now, sorry, my nose itched. Like I said, if you have dry skin, I do recommend using an oil prior or a moisturizer. My favorite moisturizer is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I love this stuff. It's awesome. Or what I'll use is the oil I put on just as one, or a very like inexpensive alternative to this oil is the vitamin E oil. I love this. This is what I've always used and I never had any issues. I love that stuff. So yeah, I recommend using something like that if you do have dry skin. I'm just gonna show you guys like my face, like all the products I'm gonna put on, just so you can see how well it works with these other products. So my favorite concealer, I always wear this, the Bareminerals Bareskin, and I'm in the color Light. This is just a great concealer, especially if you have dry skin. Now, like I said, I don't really feel like this foundation is complete coverage like it says. And I am comparing it to the original CC cream, so I always carry it up if I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, just so that my lid is completely even, like the skin color, skin tone. And it's a good base for your eyeshadow. And I hear my baby calling me now. My husband's down there with her, but no. You know, that's how it is, us moms know. The dad can be literally an inch away. And you could be taking a shower upstairs or outside doing yard work, and they will literally be like, nah, Dad, I'm good, and go to you. That's just how it is. That's just life. All right, next I'm taking LA Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. Wow, you can't even see the color now. I've used it so much. But this is my favorite concealer. Favorite contour. I've tried so many other contours, and I always gravitate to this. The color's great. The price point's great. It's just a great color. I always do a little bit down here. And then I'm just gonna blend that in. I think that's blending well. From what I can see in the mirror, I don't think it's coming off. You know, sometimes you'll apply a new foundation and then you'll try out your regular products with it, and then it'll just like wipe the foundation away, or your foundation will just get all patchy. I hate that. That's why I wanted to show you guys to be sure. And I just had some creasing under here. All right, so that looks good. See, this right here always gets me with different foundations. So this is the Benefit What's Up Soft Focus Highlighter. And I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like really fast. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a gorgeous gold. gonna put that there, and right here, and right there. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend this in. Now this is just gonna help with our highlighter. Oh, it actually didn't take it away, so that's great. I also love, now, Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I love those foundations. Those are full coverage foundations. Now, every time I use them, I get patchiness in my nose, no matter what primer. I've tried all kinds of stuff, and I always get patchiness. Now, I did notice with this, no patchy. Not patchy whatsoever, and it looks like skin. Like, it's covering most of my imperfections, but my skin, you can see it, if that makes sense. But so I feel like it's a medium coverage, and I feel like it looks great. It looks pretty good. All right, now I'm taking a Bare Essentials Full Flawless Face Brush, and I'm actually taking the CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder. It's a sheer to full coverage finishing veil, and this is the color Light as well. So I've tried this with the beauty blender, and it did not go over well. If you can see that, it just, it was bad. Like, the powder got all cakey looking, and I was like, oops. Alright, so I'm just setting everything very lightly, making sure I don't have any creasing. Probably should have done that first. Alright. Now I'm gonna go in with my dry products, because I used all my like cream products. Contour brush, I don't know what brand this is. This is from Amazon. I'm not even sure if you guys can see that. So I'm taking, this is my go-to palette. This is the Becca Apre Glow Face Palette. And I'm taking the contour, which is Bronze Bondy. And this has no shimmer or anything in it, so I like to use it for my contour. And it works great for me. And then down. I did it with a little bit of a heavy hand, so I'm just taking my brush that I use for my powder. I'm just gonna kind of blend that in a little bit more. Alright, so I'm feeling super lazy right now, and I could go to my drawer and get, God, my nose is just itching like crazy. I could go to my drawer and get my blush, but I never use this blush. I feel like it's too bright, but I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna take the blush in Winter Berry, and then I'm gonna take this one in Blushed Copper. So I'm gonna just go like that, very lightly. I don't even think you can see it. Let's try that again. Can't tell if you can see it or not. I was watching a video on somebody, I forgot who it was. She's really popular. She sprayed setting spray on her highlight brush before she used her highlighter. I'm gonna use Mario Badescu's facial spray. I'm not gonna use a setting spray, but I'm just spraying it like so. And then I'm gonna go in with Opal highlighter. I'm almost out of this. So do you see that? Down my nose. You can just see it so much better. So pretty. Alright, and look at that. Under my eye. Oh, okay. It's creasing again. I'm probably gonna have to do a translucent powder under my eyes, but okay, I'm gonna show you guys what time it is. It's 3:32. I'm gonna go film some more videos and I'll do some check-ins with you guys later. All right, you guys, so I completely forgot to do check-ins with you guys for, this is a new day. I think this is a whole week later, but hold on, baby. I put everything on that I showed you guys in the video. I put everything on my face. I am gonna be going to the gym right now, so I'm gonna be sweating a lot, but I just wanted to let you guys know it is 10:03 a.m. obviously. I will be doing check-ins. I'm gonna be going to the gym and Costco, and when I come back, probably after I pick up my daughter around 2, I'll do a check-in with you guys and let you guys see. All right, so I'm back from the gym and I went grocery shopping and I went out to eat with my mom, my little one, and it is now, what time is it? It's now 1:22. I'm actually getting ready to go pick up my oldest right now from school, but I just wanted to tell you guys really quick what I think. Like, last thoughts, you can see my vacuum in the background right there. So I actually really love this. This would be for me like every day. It is a medium coverage, like I said before, but it doesn't feel like you're wearing foundation, and it is buildable also, so if you want that full coverage, you can get that. I love that it feels like I'm just wearing like a moisturizer on my skin. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a foundation, and you can get that full coverage yet feel like you're not wearing anything, so that's really nice. And it does, if you want a light coverage, you can use an oil or like a moisturizer with it, but I used it just on, like I applied my moisturizer prior and then I used it, and it worked out good for me. I was sweating so bad at the gym and I was wiping it away, and you can still see a lot of it's on still, which I was wiping like going crazy, going to town because I was sweating so bad, you guys. So yeah, all in all, I really love this CC cream. This is their matte version, so if you want a like a more dewy, more full coverage one, I recommend their, oh, I forgot what it's called. I don't know if it's like called the Luminous one. It's the original one that they first had. I will link it down below, my review on that one. I think I have a review on that one. I'm pretty sure I do. But if I do have a review, I will link that one down below. That one to me is a very full coverage one. This one's medium to buildable full coverage. But this is, like I said, an everyday, something you'd wear every day, where it feels like you're not even wearing anything. And it's good, like it has good ingredients in it for your skin. So good with that. So yeah, I really recommend this CC cream, whether you have oily or dry skin. I have dry skin and I love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review.